Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a review on this cottage pie I just imported from China. It's proper nice. It's a bit cold though. By the time it got here, it seemed to have cooled down. But anyway, on a serious note, this video is going to be on an exhaust I got from AliExpress for my Honda Grom. So I hope you enjoy it. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know if you like cottage pie or not. Or actually, I'll call this an unbagging video, because this ain't a box, is it? Doesn't seem like a box. I can feel metal right there. So I've done my data protection, I've taken my name and address off of the side, just in case, do you know what I mean? Bit of privacy. But what I'm going to do, I don't like the sound of that. This has come all the way from China, you know. I saw this one. It's not like the usual cheap Chinese exhaust. This one's got a bit of an expansion chamber on the header pipe, which I quite like the look of. So I thought, you know what, I'm going to give this one a go. And now it's arrived after waiting about 3 or 4 weeks. So let's get on with it and let's see what's inside of this bag slash box. Normally I'd say go careful with a Stanley knife when taking a bag or box apart, because you don't want to ruin what's inside. But as this is a piece of metal, sure it'll be alright. So out of 10, I'm probably going to give the packaging a solid 5. Oh, here we go. This is what's happening. So we've got a bag on top, and then we've got the pipe here. Here we have the header pipe. Look at the little expansion chamber on it. Have we got a gasket on there as well? I'll tell you what, in my honest opinion, I'm going to give it to you. This I'm genuinely impressed with the welding on this. I mean, this is better than I've seen on my actual motorbike, to be fair. So that looks like really good quality. Nice and light as well, which is what we're trying to achieve. Now let's get into the cardboard box. Oh yeah, you've got a little bracket here as well. How cute. Look at that. The quality of the items from China now are very impressive. Now the funny thing was, this exhaust cost me I think it was like £40, but then the shipping was like 27, and then I had import duty on top. So in total it's cost me £80. For me, 80 quid, it's not really a big risk to take. If you go and spend £500–600 and you drop your bike and smash your exhaust, you're going to be pretty pissed off. So yeah, bit dusty, but yeah, that's fine. Exhaust bracket, we've got 2 springs here, nice, and then we've got, don't know what they are, I ain't even got a clue what they are. And I've also got, I think they might be the spring retainer clips or something. And then I've got fixing bolt, like so. Bit of polystyrene. What I like to do as well, I like to keep old packaging, because it always comes in handy when you need to flog something on eBay. Oh, I'm cracking up already. Right, this, I wanted an all black exhaust, right? The end can on that, I'm happy with that. But I'm going to show you what I'm laughing at in a second. Right, must say, quality of this looks very good as well. Just assuming that must just go in there like that with the spring. Don't know. to work that one out later on. Maybe it goes that way. Don't take me long to work things out, does it? The wrong way. Maybe you don't need it at all. Just push it in there like that, that'd do. That's really good. Do you know what I'm going to do with this pipe, by the way? I'm actually going to I'm going to get this cerakoted, because cerakoting is the thing, I'm telling you. If I get that cerakoted, I don't want to do these little chrome bits. I may even give them to the cerakoters to do. Get it all cerakoted, everything. I'll decide. I might just put it on the bike first, just to see how it runs, and then do it after. You know what I'm like, I can change my mind at any given moment. Removable baffle as well. This is amazing, for 80 quid, come on. But this is what I was laughing at. I can't even take it seriously. Oh dear. Good old Acropovic sticker to go on it. So this is like, to me, yeah, this is like buying a fake Rolex and wearing it. But to be fair, that isn't too bad. I mean, same but different and all that. I may even whack that on for a laugh. It looks quite good. Overall, I'm actually really impressed with this. My initial impressions are good, positive. It weighs hardly anything. It was cheap. It was actually well packaged in the end. It weren't too bad. The actual, like the welding on it looks good to me, like the flange and stuff like that is nice and neat. Nothing looks like it's going to snap off just yet. We'll soon find out once I put it on the bike. And yeah, so that's good. What I was going to say is, I was in contact with a few big exhaust manufacturers for the Honda Grom, and a few were happy to do like an endorsement video and, you know, send me an exhaust and I'll do something like that and do like a review, give my honest opinion, blah blah blah. However, I wanted to do a video instead on a more easily reachable exhaust for the average Grom owner, i.e. some people do not want to spend £600 on an exhaust. There goes my phone. When they've paid £2,000 for their bike, for example. That's almost like buying a new Mercedes, right, which has cost you 50 grand, and you buying a 25 grand exhaust. Did I calculate that right? Or 10 grand exhaust. It doesn't, the percentage cost to the bike, you know, okay, some people don't mind spending that extra money, but for me, I thought to myself, why not do this video for people who just want a new exhaust system and they can sort of get some sort of idea what it's like. So I'll put this on the bike, I'll do a before and after and give my honest test review, and I might even do like a bit of a long-term one, because who knows, this could all fall apart after a few rides. But if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and I'm interested, if you are a metal fabricator, welder, or what do they call, what are them people that work with metal called? Do they, something like is it a blacksmith? I think it's a blacksmith. If you are a blacksmith, tell me what you think of these welds. Now, they don't look, I've got like welds on my bike from Honda, which almost looks, it resembles a bird shit. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's just like that. This is nice, the flanges all the way around. To me, that looks good, but someone watching this might go, no, that is terrible. I think that's good. Feels nice and light as well. Yeah. Anyway. Right, so now I've got the OEM exhaust off. It's time to get this one on. For this header pipe, I'm going to fit a gasket on the end. For some reason, the original aftermarket exhaust and the OEM exhaust, which I put back on when I got the bike, there was no gasket on it. So I went and bought one. Get that on there, and yeah, let's get on with it. Right, there's the exhaust on. Nice and easy to install. Firstly, I put this bracket on the wrong way. It wasn't that tight, so now it's absolutely fine. Just made sure the join meets here, not half here, if that makes sense. And there we have it. There is the new exhaust. Sounds good, right? What I love about this one as well is this little expansion chamber down here looks really good, and this black finish here. I think it looks pucker, to be honest. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let me know down below what you think, if you like the idea of a cheap AliExpress exhaust, or if you prefer the £500-600, $600 ones if you're in America. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you later.